Easiest way to attach a clasp to thread. Slip your thread through the jump ring and secure by tying 2 overhand knots. The professional way to attach a clasp to thread. I'm inserting 3 strands of thread into a 2x2 gold-plated crimp tube. Now I'm going to attach my clasp, my jump ring. Slip your threads through your jump ring. Fold your threads over your clasp into your crimp bead. Pull the ends down. Leave your loop to your desired size. Using chain nose pliers or crimping pliers, as I have here, crimp your crimp bead. Fold both sides into each other. Give it one more squeeze. Now we can add our crimp cover. This crimp cover is a 3mm gold-plated cover. We're going to slip it over the crimp bead, and using a nylon jaw pliers or chain nose pliers, we're going to close it. Very gentle, trying to keep the rounded shape. And now cut off the excess thread.